have him wine mixed with bitter gall. But when he had tasted it, he refused to drink it. After they had nailed him to the cross, the soldiers grappled for his clothes by throwing dice. Then they sat around and kept guards as his hunger. A signboard was fastened to the cross above Jesus' head, announcing the charge against him. It read, "This is Jesus, the King of Jews." Two criminals were crucified with him. Their crosses on other side of his, and the people passing by shouted abuse, shaking their heads in mockery. "So you can destroy the temple and rebuild it again in 3 days, can you? Well then, if you are the Son of God, save yourself and come down from the cross." The leading priests, the teachers of religious law, and the other leaders also mocked Jesus. He saved others. They scoffed, but he didn't save himself. So the King of Israel, is he? Let him come down from the cross and we will believe in him. He trusted God. Let God show his approval by delivering him. For he said, "I am the Son of God," and the criminals who were crucified with him also shouted the same voice as him. Amen.
Vamos a orar por la palabra y por ellos también.